Hey guys, welcome back to Roadside. In this video, I will show you the best USB Wi-Fi adapters that are compatible with the latest version of Kali Linux. By the end of this video, I will give you a bonus tip on how to increase the maximum range of the current USB Wi-Fi adapter without buying a new one. If you are new to this channel, just to let you know that we'll be posting Kali Linux, penetration testing, Arduino, Raspberry Pi and other hacking projects and tutorials using latest Wi-Fi adapters and tools every week. So make sure you subscribe by clicking the subscribe button here so that you won't miss the future videos. There is a smaller selection of hardware drivers in Kali Linux as compared to Windows. Even though many new Linux hardware drivers are constantly being added, support for older devices has stopped. Finding the right USB Wi-Fi adapters for Kali Linux can be a difficult task. Here are a list of best USB Wi-Fi adapters that are fully compatible with latest Kali Linux, that can go into monitor mode, inject packets and perform everything that is needed for a fully fledged Wi-Fi penetration testing. I will share all the purchase links in the description so that you can simply scroll down there and get your Wi-Fi adapter. If you are using some other Wi-Fi adapter with Kali Linux, let us know it in the comments. First one, Alpha AWS 036 NHA. I have been using this long range network adapter and let me tell you guys, this is the best Wi-Fi adapter I have ever used. Coupled with its long range antenna, it can successfully deauthenticate clients from afar and is the best alpha network adapter for packet injection. This one is based on Atheros AR9271 chipset. It is this Wi-Fi adapter that I used to make this long range Wi-Fi hacking station which could hack a Wi-Fi network 2 miles away. We will come to this by the end of this video. Next one, Alpha AWUS 036 NH. This is another Wi-Fi adapter from Alpha that can support IEEE 802.11 BGN wireless network with a speed of 150 Mbps. Powered by a Railing RT3070, this is a plug-and-play adapter that is compatible with most versions of Linux including Kali Linux. This one comes with a 5 dBA omnidirectional antenna as well as 7 dBA panel antenna. It also comes with a clip that can be used to attach this adapter on a laptop. The only drawback of this Wi-Fi adapter is it doesn't play well with WPS attack tools such as Wash and River, but the packet injection speed is much faster than the previous one. Next, Alpha AWUS 1900. This USB Wi-Fi adapter will take your hacking skills to a whole new level. So far, this is the best Wi-Fi adapter available for Wi-Fi hackers. Even though it's a bit costly, it's totally worth the price. It supports IEEE 802.11 ACNGB standards. That means it can handle 2.4 GHz as well as 5 GHz Wi-Fi networks. It has a USB 3.0 interface for high-speed data transmission with a wireless data rate of 600 Mbps for 2.4 GHz and up to 1300 Mbps for 5 GHz connections. Alpha AWUS 036 ACH. Kali Linux 2018.2 came up with a significant update. Support for RTL8812AU wireless chipset. This is a powerful Wi-Fi adapter with dual-band technology and support 802.11 AC and A, B, G and N standards. These antennas are removable and if you want higher range, you can connect antenna with a greater dBi value. Tenda W311MA. This one is a stylish and slim plug-and-play Wi-Fi adapter from Tenda. Equipped with high-gain antenna, this one is a plug-and-play USB Wi-Fi adapter for Wi-Fi hack which can be used to reach long-range wireless networks with ease. This one works under 2.4 GHz, but due to its external antenna, it can catch packets and perform packet injection to Wi-Fi networks and devices which are located really far away from the attacker machine. Panda PAU06. This one is a light and compact USB Wi-Fi adapter which can be directly connected to Kali Linux. Kali Linux has been supporting this device for more than 2 years. Due to its small size, it can fit anywhere and no one will be suspicious. This one has an external high-gain antenna and power management circuits that considerably reduces the power consumption. Another Wi-Fi adapter for Kali Linux from the same family, Panda PAU05, an older version of the Wi-Fi adapter mentioned earlier. Even though it's an older model, it will surely work with Kali Linux and can be turned to monitor mode and can be used for packet injection. Like the previous one, this one is lightweight and compact USB Wi-Fi adapter for hacking Wi-Fi networks. Simply connect your Wi-Fi adapter to your Kali Linux machine and that's it, plug and play. This one works under 2.4 GHz and there is no external antenna. Maximum data rate is up to 300 Mbps with 802.11n. Chipset, Railing RT3070. Next, TPLink TL WN722N. People have been using this Wi-Fi adapter with Kali Linux for a long time. But for the past few years, so many issues have been arising questioning the compatibility of this Wi-Fi adapter with Kali Linux. People are not able to put their adapter in monitor mode for Wi-Fi hacking or packet injection. At the same time, another group say they don't have any problem working with that. So the question is, do Kali Linux support this TP-Link Wi-Fi adapter? Yes and no. Let me make that clear for you. Older version of TP-Link Wi-Fi adapter V1 were powered by Atheros AR9271 chipset. And yes, they are compatible with all versions of Kali Linux. But now, most of online sellers including Amazon and eBay are selling V3 of this Wi-Fi adapter which are not compatible with Kali Linux. The newer versions of Wi-Fi adapters cannot be put to monitor mode and cannot be used for packet injection. So if you are planning on buying this, make sure they are V1 and are compatible with Kali Linux for successful Wi-Fi hacking and penetration testing. Now increasing the range. Did you see my previous video in which I told you about the long range Wi-Fi hacking station? If you haven't, I will put the link in the description, check that out. Most of the USB Wi-Fi adapters and routers allow you to change the inbuilt antenna. Usually, the inbuilt antenna that are provided by the manufacturers will be having 3 dBi or 5 dBi or sometimes up to 9 dBi power gain, which is very low when compared to the currently available antennas. So, if your USB Wi-Fi adapter does support an external antenna, you can get a higher gain antenna like a 12 dBi or a 24 dBi that will significantly increase the Wi-Fi range. In the next video, I will give you a list of best Wi-Fi antennas which can be connected to USB Wi-Fi adapters which will allow you to hack Wi-Fi networks which are very far away. So make sure you subscribe this channel for future videos. I will see you on the other side.